Testing, testing. All right. So before I go over this trade, I'm actually going to play a video where I go over. You see how this looks? Okay, my face is on top of that face. So let's move this over here, and we'll do it like that. So, I wanted to do like a YouTube short, but I'm old, so I'm not hip to how all this stuff works just yet. I gotta take some time. I'll carve out some time later today and figure it out. But this is a video that I was going to upload, but didn't because I realized when I was uploading it, there wasn't like an immediate button that that allows you to um, upload straight to shorts. Like it has to be exported at a certain aspect ratio or something like that. So, like I said, I'll figure that out. But this was a trade. If you look in the corner here, you'll see it says 520. So, what day was that? This was Tuesday. So, I probably set this trade up Sunday or Monday. And this was the result of it. So, let me go ahead and start that. Very nice, quick and easy supply and demand style trade. We get this move right here, breaking structure to the upside, broke the structure over here. After that, came back, hit my first area of interest, took off from there. So whether it broke this, came down to this, hit my first win. So that's always good to see. Very nice way to start out the week. And there was that. So continuing the week, we had another similar setup. So that trade was over here. After this came, broke the structure to the upside, I just looked for the same thing again. So going to the 1 hour chart, I actually had another zone before this that was stopped out. Where's my drawing tools at? Where my favorite bar go? Was that this at the bottom? Okay, there we go. So I had another zone drawn in here actually, and I had the entry at the 50% area and the stop loss slightly underneath, and it stopped through that and ended up hitting the zone underneath. So, and it ended up giving me a 7-1 out of that. Now we have a break of structure again, but it looks like it's already starting to take off. So I would have drew this a couple of ways. I'm not in this. I missed this. Like this is happening real time as we speak. So either that could have been missed for the high risk to reward trade, or you could have combined the both of these. For those of you who understand like fair value gaps, IPAs, and stuff like that, you could treat this as one candle, and then you got that 50% mark that was hit spot on. So assuming that you're aiming for the highs up here to get taken out, you're looking at a, let's see, you're looking at another 7-1 if that hits. So, but I ain't in it. I ain't in it. Know what I'm saying? I heard that Trump just announced another tariff play too, and I got the market shook up. I've been trying to catch S&P, but S&P's just, it hadn't been throwing it back, man. You know what I'm saying? I caught like a long somewhere over here, and then I switched buys to the short side once we started breaking structure to the downside. But like, we ain't getting no type of deep pullbacks. It came straight to like the bottom of the area, then took off. So I'll see if it gives me a pullback somewhere over here. see. Is this greater than the 2-to-1? Cool. If this isn't greater than the 2-to-1, I ain't taking it. Let me see here. Nope. Gotta wait for it to update for now. So up here's the only one I'm interested in. And we'll see what happens with that.